Hi everyone, my name is Lana. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial you will need 2 skeins of the base yarn. I use white color from double knitting yarn by Woolcraft 300 meters per 100 gram and 2 more colors, purple and green for the lavender flowers. You will also need a 4.5 mm hook, scissors and a 7 needle. We will start with a slip knot and cast on 60 chain stitches. We will work entirely in double crochet. For the first row, make 2 chain stitches, yarn over and pull your hook through the third bump from this side. Catch, twist and pull it through. Then pull through 2 loops and 2 loops again. Continue crocheting into the bumps. After you finish the first row, you will work every row this way. The difference is that in the first row we crocheted into the bumps and now we work inside the full previous stitch. Make 2 chain stitches, yarn over and go inside the full stitch. Catch, twist and pull it through. Then pull through 2 loops and 2 loops again. Continue like this till the end of the row. Do not lose the last stitch. If you are not sure where it is, count your stitches. There should be 60 of them. During the process, you will have a moment when you run out of yarn. To join the new thread, make a double crochet until you have 2 loops on your hook. Then pinch the old tail and the new one together with your thumb and crochet 2 loops with the new yarn. You can leave the tail on the wrong side to weave them in later, but I usually put them inside each next stitch in this way. I'm checking the size with this tote bag. Here we have 35 centimeters in white and 71 centimeters in lead. It's 62 double crochet rows. Leave a long tail for sewing and secure the thread by simply pulling it through the last loop. Set our piece aside and now we'll make flowers. I will use a 4 mm hook, but you can use the same 4.5 mm, it doesn't make a big difference. Start with the lavender stem. Make a slip knot, 2 chain stitches and insert the hook into the first bump. Pull the thread through, then make a chain stitch inside only one loop. Then pull through 2 loops together. Again, go inside the previous chain stitch. Make 1 chain stitch from there. And crochet 2 loops together. Make 25 stitches like this. Cut and secure the thread by pulling it through random stitches. Insert your hook into the 12th stitch. Crochet 6 chain stitches and secure it in the same stitch with a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, crochet 6 chain stitches and secure it in the same way. Continue like this until the end of the row. For the top stitch and the next 11 stitches on the other side, follow the same pattern. Leave a long thread at the end for sewing. Crochet 2 more flowers in the same way. I already made the pocket, fully double crochet 9 rows and 20 stitches. Leave the long tail at the end of the last row. Now arrange the flowers on the tote bag as you want them to be oriented and take a picture so you don't forget their placement. Thread the long purple thread into the 7 needle and we will sew it across these holes. Insert the needle into the first hole and pull it through to the opposite side. We will work in opposite directions diagonally to make it look natural in the end. Secure the thread on the wrong side and cut it. Do the same with the other 2 flowers and then we will sew the green part. I didn't leave a long tail here, I will need to use additional yarn to sew it. I'm starting from here. Securing the tail by threading the needle through the same place twice. Continue sewing as we did with the flowers, working in opposite and diagonal directions until the end. Then secure the tail on each side and finish with the other two flowers. Now we will sew the pocket. Place it in the same stitch position as the tote bag. I'm sewing from the inside to the outside. To make it easier, I will turn the work. First, I will go inside the double crochet here and do the same on the pocket. Then inside the hole between stitches and again on the pocket. Just make sure you are sewing in the straight line. Continue all the way around. Using full stitches in the middle to sew them together. So our pocket is ready. Next we will join the sides in the same way. Join the new yarn and sew from the inside to the outside. From this side we have a long tail to work with. Here we will work with a lace pattern for one row around. Start from any side. Pull the thread from the hole, yarn over, and insert the hook into the third stitch. Make a double crochet, then make 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. Next, go into the third stitch from here with a single crochet. And then make the next 5 double crochet into the third stitch after that. Continue in the same pattern until the end of the row. Secure the thread when finished. As we finished here, we need to make the bag handlers. Chain 6, then make 2 chain stitches, 6 double crochet, and repeat for the 57 rows. I have finished the first handle, which is 72 centimeters long, and I think this length will be enough for me. Next I will make 1 single crochet row around to make it less stretchy. For each double crochet stitch I will work 2 single crochet stitches with 1 single crochet stitch between them, until I reach out starting point. The full handle looks like this. Make the second one and join it from the inside as we did when sewing the pocket on the middle side. And our lavender tote bag is done. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Visit my Ko-fi for the written patterns and see you next Monday.